Yeah, so as I was saying yesterday, trade 245. Can you tell me, Salewin? What they do, if you're not an IB under them, but you trade under them, most they tell you, okay, you are welcome to offices whenever you feel like coming through. But then, if you're not an IB or you're not signed under those rich IB boys, those fake rich IB boys, they treat you like trash. And then what they also do, the new thing is that they invite those big traders. And then most when are you gonna feel like, okay, I'm gonna trade with the top guns, what, and then they give you a manipulated market, a market that's played there in the offices. And then what happens is that when you trade that market, the same time you enter a position, you blow. Yeah, well, that's what happened. And they don't allow you to come into their offices if you're not signed up under Abokanya, Abo, all those fake ones.
Except this doesn't show anything, bruh. You pay. That's the thing, you fucking pay. So I won't see next land mfondini. Plus nakwi-skill sakho, I don't see none, bruh. Incwadi yakho fulfilled with scams. Yeah, the scammers otumelo bro. Ay. Nale yawo ukhanya glitch bleva. Ngine-trades zayo yona. Kanti ingxenye nje beyenziswa ngu-trade 245 bamayiscam abantu. Bona like xa ibhatala i-signals. Yeah, the market is gonna sell. Yena ukhanya uzokunika i-signals ezibhayayo. Kodwa i-market iyasell. Yabo? Kaya mfethu, if you wanna see some pull through kaya mfethu, gonna see what forex is. Hayibo mfethu, I see you talking noTumelo mfethu. Tumelo. Yazi uthethe noTumelo. Like impahla zikaTumelo zitheni zimbajile ngokodwa they real traders now. Yabo ba umjito ogqolile. I-Christian Labutin zakhe eziqolile. Who you with and who they know, but it's not about that ish, manik. It seems like now you overrating traders as the scammer band to trade 245. Trade 245 game a sepa brayak. Ish. Plus, don't try to look rich. You're not around broke, bruh. That's the only thing. That's the only thing, boy. That's the only thing, boy. Yeah, bruh, man. Yeah. Yo, I just niggas all scammers, bruh. Yo, Otumelo. Yo, Amalang. Yes. The all scammers, bruh. Yo.
Nah, about these niggas must who's this dude? Tumelo and this other one, they scammed me, yabo. So in the end, ndaya phakwa trade 245 mos. Ngokuya ndangisaqala ndanisafuna i-beginners course. I paid for as a 500 courses cheat, and then it didn't end up well. So ndabona le weba fuck, you know. Fuck man. Just clearly gaga phakwa trade 245. And that day I went there drunk. Fana sixela igaka bajonga ndifuna imali yam non-scam. It didn't give me the knowledge. And then they were like, nah, we're gonna work out things for you. Okay, look, we're gonna make you an IB. And then I was like, I don't need to be an IB, me. I don't want IB. I want knowledge to be who I wanna be. Let me show you the videos where where me and Tumel were not